So just ordered the Sunny Treadmill. Make sure you open it with the box facing the right side up. And so we're about to put it together. Actually really simple. Literally it just took 2 screws up here on both sides, 3 screws on the bottom on both sides, then you put these attachments here. For the most part it all came together as you saw in the video, which was fast speed. I did lubricate each side of the treadmill. It does mention that you want to make sure you fully lubricate it, and obviously you do want to wear shoes. I'm not going to be running, I'm just walking to test if it works. So we're gonna hit start. 3, 2, 1. And it's really, right now it's at like 0.5 speed. And then there's a speedometer on this side. There's a start and stop on this side. It also checks your heart rate here. So I'm just gonna put it to 2 speed. And it feels good. I'm not gonna run, but it's working. Hey! It works. Okay, let's just go up a little bit faster just to test it. If I want to do the job. Yep. And it's not that loud. Obviously, the bell's saying not right now, so I'm going to come back down. But perfect, it works great. And it also has this emergency pull thing, and then you just like pop it out, and it stopped, obviously. So. But it works! Yes! And it was super simple to put together. Amazon, only $3.99, y'all. Only $3.99. Definitely recommend. But now we got our official gym all set up. Working good. Babe, how much do you weigh? How much do you weigh? 210. Max weight is 230. Here we go. Look at him go, y'all. Look at him go. Just so I show you guys some of the features, this is where you can check your heart rate, you can start and stop here, you can do your speed here. There's multiple programs that they have in regards to like inclines and speeds and stuff. Speed, you can go quick speeds, different programs, start and stop. But yeah, it's pretty simple and pretty awesome. I'm very happy I invested and got this before baby comes. So we will be walking on this quite often. Okay, and last thing, because I told you it does fold up, super simple. You just come here at the bottom and you lift it up all the way until you hear it lock, and then boom, there it is, up and in place and out the way. But I'm going to leave it down because I don't need to really have it up, but it doesn't take up much room if you wanted to like roll it somewhere else. And then when you're ready to put it back down, you just kick right here. Kick with my right leg. And then we'll kick it softly too. Put it back down, and then you'll hear it kind of pop into place. And there you go. That's it, y'all.